Yeah, welcome to this presentation. In this presentation, we are going to be breaking down the marketing plan, at least making us to understand and making us to come to reality, to the lucrativity of Zinzino. Zinzino marketing plan is a very simple marketing plan if you understand it. And it also has a pathway that if you follow, you can make the most out of it. Now, I'm going to be rushing through it, and then especially I'm going to be focusing on what happens to you or how you are going to maximize it in your first 30 days. The first 30 days of launching your back office, not the first 30 days from when you place your product order. The day the day you launched your back office, Zinzino expects you to do something as a partner in your first 30 days so that you can enjoy the bonuses that the company has kept in store. You know, we are partners of Zinzino and we are here to help Zinzino to create customers. Zinzino is expanding now rapidly, and if you look at the map of Africa, there is no blue, there's no purple color. It means Africa is bare, virgin. South Africa is right. In fact, South Africa will be the next country if all things being equal. Otherwise, Nigeria will follow. Now, what happens is, what plans do we have to be part of the expansion of Zinzino in Africa? Because if you are among those who are expanding at that moment, you have the great opportunity to have a market share of the customer base that Zinzino is going to be having in the coming years. Because whether you like it or not, a lot of people will use the product, a lot of people will do the balance tests. The question is, are they doing it through your referral link? A lot of people in Africa are going to be doing this balance test. You just give it a matter of 1 year plus 2 years. You will understand what I am talking about. I'm saying this from experience in the direct sales industry. I have seen things happen and how businesses expanded in just 1 year. And if you are among those who have a significant amount of market share, it means you are a future millionaire in dollars. It is not an understatement, just to show you how the potential of what you can earn from direct sales business, especially when it has to do with the distribution of something that gives people good health. Everybody wants good health. And our test-based nutrition can never be seen in any network marketing industry, in any network marketing company. Test-based, because it is assuring efficacy. It is not guest-based, but it is test-based. Who are going to be part? You want to be part of those who are going to distribute this test-based global world mega trend? If you are among those who distributed Zoom today, imagine how much you'll be worth. If you are among those who distributed Facebook today, imagine how much you'll be worth. There is now a global mega trend in nutrition. Remember, it is coming at the right time, post-COVID pandemic, where people are now becoming more conscious, and where what Albert Einstein said, that the doctors of the future will no longer treat human diseases with drugs, but with nutrition. That is where the world is tilting to. The father of modern medicine himself said, Socrates said that, let thy food be thy medicine, and let thy medicine be thy food. That is where the world is shifting to. It is a global mega trend. Are you going to be part of those who are going to be part of distributors of wellness? If you want to be part of those, then key in to Zinzino platform and follow the process. I will take us through what you are expected to do in your first 30 days, 30 to 60 days. Now, what you are expected to do in your first 30 to 60 days will lay a foundation to you being part of those who are going to benefit from the 1 billion tested people by 2050. Imagine the lifestyle. Imagine knowing that 97% of people fail the test, and the number of persons who, because they fail the test, will always want to use the balanced oil. Through you, through your connection, through your link. So how to start first is, first of all, you have to place your order and be a partaker of this. You place your order and be a partaker of those who are going to distribute this wellness. Now, this is what is opened to the global market. You avail yourself one of these packages, one of these balances, and by availing yourself this, automatically you are qualifying to a lot of things that you may not understand now, but as you progress, you will understand. They are giving you this balance test and balance oil at a very cheaper rate, by you being interested in becoming a partner. Now, of course, while you start, you also select your monthly reorder, which you can get for free, without even paying a dime, apart from the shipment, which is $10 flat rate. It is very simple. It is a customer-based business. We are partners. Our role is to help the company to create customers. We are also customers, but we are high-level customers that have signed a contract. The company has recognized us as partners and part of the mission of Zinzino in creating 1 billion customers by the year 2050. Imagine you have 100 of those customers, just a percentage of a fraction of those 1 billion customers by the year 2050. Then you understand why Zinzino is heavily embraced all over US, Europe, the Scandinavia, the UK, in other European countries, and in the India, and now gaining momentum in Africa. It is something you can do part-time. You can work it from home. You can choose people you work with, people with like minds. You choose people you work with. It is an opportunity to create a residual income. This is just a summary of the number of ways you can earn in Zinzino. Cash bonus. We will talk about it as I proceed. Fast start bonus, which is what I want to lay emphasis today. Team bonus, which is what you get from accumulations of credits, which in other places is known as PB. One-time bonus. Bonuses you get as you rank up. Any rank you get, they give you a one-time bonus, different from other things you have earned. Team commission. The commissions you get from the massive growth of your team. Phone bonus. You can qualify for phone bonus to use for your subscription, for your phone bills, and the rest of them. Car bonus is also there. You can actually qualify this car anytime you fulfill the qualification for this car. You get the car bonus. You can get it every month as long as you fulfill this qualification. With your massive team growth, it is possible to get most of these bonuses every month. Now, customer acquisition bonus, which is also an additional bonus you get, different from every other bonuses you get by acquiring customers. Volume bonus, a bonus you get different from the every other bonuses that you have been getting via accumulation of credit. At a particular point, they calculate all your volumes and give you bonuses for it. Then mentor bonuses are bonuses you get as your team members make money. They give you percentages of their money. For example, your team member could earn like $500 in a month. They give you a percentage between 5 to 10%, 5% or 10%, depending on your qualification. 5 or 10% of that money that he earned, different from every other commissions you get. These are the 10 ways, and we can maximize this by getting customers and getting partners. Getting customers, because it is a customer-based business. In fact, that is the new law. That is why Zinzino is acceptable worldwide, because the rule in direct sales now is that part of the income you earn should be from customers, deviating it from the usual Ponzi scheme that exists out there. Now, what happens is that the customers you create, the value, the people you give value, is a function of the amount of money you make in Zinzino. They must not join you as partners. They should just be customers and use and enjoy and be happy about the products. Of course, you can also get most of this money from your team members, your partners, who will also contribute to your customer base, because the customers created by your team members also counts for you. Now let us look at the first ranking in Zinzino, which is the Smart Bronze. The Smart Bronze. Now, in your first 30 days, Zinzino expects you as a partner to connect 4 customers. Your first 30 days of creating your back office, whether you have paid, that means even if you have not even paid money, you can benefit from this income by connecting 4 customers, even if you have not paid. So don't wait until when you have ordered your product, that's when you now start business. No. Business has already started the moment, the day you create it. So your first 30 days is from that day. So what happens is that connecting your customer, inviting them for our product presentation, and making them to be interested to take the balance test. This is something everybody who understands the importance of it will want to go for. There are so many people who don't want to do this business because they are so busy. They have a lot of what they do, but they would want to be part. They want to be customers. Those are the people we are looking for. The people who would not even want to do the business aspect are the people that we are looking for. Because those of us who have agreed to do the business, we are fortunate because we know what we are going to benefit from the people who don't want to do the business. That is one thing we have to understand about Zinzino. So we are only going out for partners, and our aim as partners, as team, is to go and create customers, which is very easy to do. In a world now where people don't like network marketing, we are not even coming to tell them to do network marketing. We are telling them to come and be customers. That's all. And through that customers, we will reach our desired goal. All these commissions will manifest. This is what is different in other companies where they go all after for people who must do network marketing. They don't care about customers. Customers don't even benefit. In Zinzino, customers benefit. Customers get qualified for free products. Customers have incentives. You can imagine somebody who decided he's not going to do business just because he's using the product, he is benefiting, he's getting incentives by just being a customer. So what happens when you connect 4 customers in your first 30 days? You get a cash bonus of 10%. Now, one of the premier kits is $169. For example, now $169 is the popular demand. It's what we promote because it contains the balance kit and it contains the balance oil. The person can do his test and use the balance oil for 120 days. That is a protocol that we are preaching, we are pushing, we are going to preach to the world so they can know their ratio and also take steps to correct their ratio and live a healthier life. So you can imagine you connect 4 persons who avail themselves. Just he wants to be a customer and he purchased the 169 balance kit. And 10% of that balance kit is $16.9 US. If you convert it today in Naira, it is 8,788 Naira. Now what happens? 4 of the cash bonuses, because you're going to be getting it by each of the 4 persons. Once you hit 4 in your first 30 days, what happens? Once you hit 4, the cash bonuses is times 4. Even if you have not placed order of your products, you can get this cash bonus. Times 4 of 8,788 Naira is about 35,152 Naira. That's just only connecting 4 customers. And it did not just stop there. Because you have connected that 4 customers and you did it, even if you don't do it within 30 days, you still get this amount of money. But you were not able to do it in your first 30 days. The company say, wow, you are so fast. That means you look like somebody who is very serious, you are the kind of partner we're looking for because you're going to help us to create customers. The company will give you a bonus, what they call Smart Bronze, because you have achieved a rank called Smart Bronze. The Smart Bronze bonus is equal to $115, different from that 35,000 you earn. If you convert that money in Naira, it is 59,800 Naira. So if you add 59,800 Naira, we are talking about something like 90-something thousand, almost 100,000. Now remember that you also qualify for mentor bonus. The mentor bonus are 5 to 10% commissions that you earn as your team members go ahead. You could have a partner who also went ahead to earn this amount of money. It means that anything your partner earns, cash bonuses or smart bonus or anything your partner earns. If you qualify by hitting these 4 customers, you have activated your mentor bonus, meaning that anything your partner earns or what they call downline earns, you get 5% of it. You have 5% of it till infinity. That is a mentor bonus. I'm not even adding it to this. Now, you have an estimated total of about $200 from all this, because some persons could do above 169. Now let's put it around 104,000. Your first 30 days for connecting only 4 customers. Only you didn't even recruit anybody to do the business. You went for only 4 customers, people who want to be customer. Maybe you try to recruit one, and the guy they say, oh, I cannot do this business, but I can just buy the product. Yes, welcome. That is what we want. I can do this business. Okay, let me join you. Good, because he's also going to help you to create customers, because whoever customer he also brings also counts for you. You see, now that it did not stop there. Now, if within that 30 days you now go ahead, because each of those customers that you attracted, and even the partners who joined you and some other person, and you went ahead, got more customers, or you got only 4, but you recruited some people who came to do the business. As they buy the package, they are also adding credits to you. The customers are adding credits to you. The people who are joining you as partners are adding credits to you. The product reorders you must have done for yourself, even your own personal product package that you bought during registration, also added credit to you. Now, if in your first 30 days you went ahead and accumulated 375. Now, let me tell us something. Now, in the global, as we are in the global market now, any credit you accumulate, it is doubled. That means if you recruited a partner who came in with a credit, what the product he paid for is worth like 20 credits. Now, the company double times it by 2, and you get 40 credits. Let me repeat myself. Any credit or PV you accumulate, the company doubles it. In some companies, they give promo. Oh, this period will double credit. The moment you start, any credit you accumulate is doubled. Somebody buys, a customer purchases a pack of 169 credits, which could be around 20 something credits. They double it immediately to 40 something. Somebody signs up. So you see all those multiplications, before you know it, you have exceeded 375 credits in your first 30 days. And once you do that, in addition to the 4 customers you have gotten, what happens? They give you another money, which is 100 pay points, because Cinzino pays in pay points, and 1 pay point is equivalent to 100 euro. And if you convert that 100 euro to US dollars, it's about 135 US dollars. Now, 135 US dollars in addition to that 100 and something thousand you got by just only those 4 customers, you are getting an additional 70,000 naira 200 about from only that credit. From only that credit, 100 pay points. Now, they now give you fast silver bonus. The fast silver bonus, the 375 credits, because once you earn credits, each credit you balance gives you pay points, different from the bonuses you get when you achieve rank. You see, these credit things, once you get any credit, it amounts to money. So there is what they call credit balance. Once you balance any credit, there is special money for it. Now, when you achieve a rank, there is also special money for it. The 375 credit gave you 100 pay points. And because you have reached 375 credit in 1 month, in 30 days, they now give you the bonus for that rank which you have hit, which is the fast silver bonus. They call it fast silver. You have hit the rank of fast silver in 30 days. The company is rewarding you for your speed. All this ranking, all these rank bonuses is the company rewarding you for your speed. It doesn't mean that you will not earn other credits like the 100 pay points and other ones if you were not fast. Now, in that 30 days, just 4 customers and all these things in that 30 days, which is very possible. Which is very possible because I am sure that I'm going to hit mine because I just have few points away. I have few points away, and I have been working towards to hit it so that I will show people that it is possible. I'm doing this from home. I've not even come out to start doing public presentations. I can hit it. How much more when we now start our public presentations? Live, when I come back to Nigeria. First silver bonus, you now get it about 91,000. Now, if you add it to the 70,000 and plus other small bonus, let us just even not be too, let's say in about 100, in that 30 days, you will get a minimum of 415 US dollars just because of, if you add everything together, 415 US dollars, which is about 200. This is a minimum. I made it so because if you add what I have done, it will be more than this. About 215,000. Now, 215,000 in a country where people, in Nigeria, where people are crying of no money, and you were able to have a positive mind, and you were able to sacrifice, and you were able to just, there are people who need these products. Nigeria, people are crying of no money, but people are spending money. There are people who we can create customers for us and hit this rank. And before you know it, in your first 30 days, you have getting minimum of 215,800. How much did you even put in? The 289 package is not even up to 150,000. But you have gotten more than that, in addition to the product value you have, in addition to the foundation you have laid, because that 30 days, this rank you have hit in these 30 days is your foundation. And when you lay a very good foundation in this business, the sky is but your starting point. It doesn't stop there. In your first 60 days, and you were able to continue, and because the foundation you have laid will definitely, see, what I know in a business like this, when you are starting, it looks so difficult. To even get your first customer is so difficult. But once you manage to hit that rank in your first 1 month, what you are now getting is, because your team now, even the customers that you have also recruited, you also tell them that, okay, this thing what I give you now will work. If you can go and get somebody who will also use it, maybe get like 4 persons, the company will give you free. Oh, people like such incentives. Okay, this thing you like them. Yes, you are excited. Can you also get people who only want to use the product, they don't want to do the business? As the person goes ahead to get the 4, the company gives him free product the next month. And what happens? Those 4 extra persons come to you as if you are the person that directly brought them in. It also adds to your customer base. And what happens if in the next 30 days you added more 6 persons and made it 10 customers? The company gives you another money, 300 US dollars. That is about 156,000. Different from the commissions you will get from those. Now, the person who is going to get his friends who will also want to only use the product will not earn commission from that because it's a customer. You only get free product. But the commissions you earn from each of those persons that he is going to get for you, you will be the one to earn it. 10%, 10%. He's going to help you to take. Now, he likes the product and he knows his friends who will also only want to use it. They don't want to do business. As he gets them, the 10% from those people, you will get it because you are a partner. He is a customer. And once that happens, your volume, even the credits you add, remember the more credits you have, the more you get more pay points, which will give you money, different from the bonuses you get from the ranking. And you become an X-Team Express, and you get an X-Team Express bonus of $175. Everything together up to 156,000, different from the commissions. Now we are talking about the 200 and something up to 500,000, even 500,000 raking in just your first 2 months. Most times people don't understand the lucrativity of an opportunity. That's why they treat it with kids' gloves. You see, we all need money. Anybody you see waking up, doing 1 or 2 things, thinking need money. But most times our level of understanding, people's passion is a function of their level of understanding. Something you can stay from home and do, something you can use your laptop, something you can easily just follow the roadmap. Zinzino has a roadmap already. Just follow it. Just follow the roadmap. Most times we don't understand the lucrativity of it. If you and once you are doing this, you will never pay money for any authorship. In fact, that thing they call authorship, you will not even remember because they'll be sending your product free of charge for you. Because the ranking you are hitting, it is your authorship. There are some companies today, no matter the kind of rank you hit, you still pay authorship. You still do authorship if you want to get more benefits. But as you rank up, as you do your business in Zeno, automatic qualification, automatic free authorship, automatic free, you don't need to pay anything. Now, the authorship is not compulsory, but we recommend it because it will pay us more. Because at the end, you will notice that only for customers, if they are serious to do Zeno business, you will not pay one single authorship. It is when you are not serious that, of course, you need to, because when you are not serious, you have to fulfill the responsibility of they have given you free back office, and you are not serious, then you have to be buying their products every month because it is a business that they are running. But if you are serious and you can help them to create customers, no authorship for you because it will be free of charge every month. People should understand this, and this is something people should understand. There is no company today that doesn't have authorship. Some have hidden it, some will hide it, and you will pay heavy amount without knowing. Some will tell you it's not compulsory, but you will not get much out of the pay system. Zeno has a lucrative marketing system. In fact, it makes you not to even do authorship when you are active. So, Xteam Express. So, this is the goal, what I call the 30 to 60 day. This is what Zeno called the 30 to 60 day goal plan. Anybody who wants to do well in Zeno should have a 30 to 60 day goal plan. What you do in your first 30 day and 60 day. If you can hit it, you have laid a good foundation for yourself in Zeno. And imagine now that you didn't even recruit any partner. You only want to get people who don't want this. Let me repeat myself. You are out to get people who don't want to do network marketing. Is it very easy? A lot of people today don't want to do network marketing. We know that. But you are now out to get people who don't want to do network marketing. I don't know if you understand this, what I'm trying to say. You are out to get people who don't want to do network marketing because people don't like it. But you are showing them the opportunity, the balance. You're only just showing them the balance test. We are campaigning that people should do their balance test, just the way you campaign that people should check their blood pressure. Check your balance test. Take your balance oil. You could even do amongst your colleagues who are doctors. Please don't do the business, just take it, use it, and you are creating customers. Imagine you create 25 customers, you become an 18 person. An 18 person, you create 25 customers. 25, 18. See how much you are worth for just 25 customers that you are able to create. How much you are worth? 936,000 naira. That is how much you are worth. 900 now, 25, 20 now. As an 18, you get 20. Calculate 20%. 20% of 936,000. 20% of 936,000. 936,000. Now, you see, just those 25 customers that could have come from you, or that may not even be from you, or they could even be from the customers from the customers you have also created, and different from the other bonuses you will earn ahead of each of those customers. Remember, it is 10%. Remember, it is 10%. In fact, at that point, you are not getting 20%. You are not getting 20%. And each of the head of 20%, you are getting up to this amount. You become a pro team, 50 customers. The percentage increases to 25%. You become a top team, percentage increases to 30%. You become, this is just one single bonus, different from the other 10 bonuses that you'll be getting from left, right, center because of this customer that you are getting. You will be getting pay points from your credits weekly. In fact, I opened my back office recently and I was shocked what I saw. I was asking myself, where is this? Where are these pay points and this commission? Where are they coming from? I've not even started. I'm not even ready to start withdrawing any money from my back office. But just the few things I have done, I'm seeing ripples of it. Every day I get so excited about this. I can't wait to come back to Nigeria to plan my mega seminar. This is a business that is worth investing in. I don't mind to put money in this business to make sure that a lot of people become customers and the business goes viral in Nigeria, because I know the lucrativity of this. Money comes from left, right, center. And it is not about your package. If you like, do the smallest package, you do the biggest package. It is the same level playing field everybody has. That is wonderful. That's a good thing, because all fingers are not equal. What the company rewards is your ability to create customer, no matter the amount of money you came in with. It increased to 30%, even the much more potentially earning. And of course, it can qualify, even only creating customers without you even recruiting partners. You can qualify for trips. You can qualify for car. What are we talking? Which system can give this kind of only customers? People who are coming to people who are product users. There are people today in my previous network marketing. They know how to. They have a lot of customers buying products, but they have never ranked up. In fact, their ranking up is so slow. They are not even qualified. They are not even any big. Their duty is just to sell products. Their duty is just to make. There are people who are very good in creating customers. They never make it big in network marketing. But in Zinzino, those persons have a chance of making it big. The more partners you recruit, the more customer base you also get. This is amazing. This is wonder. I take time to study this marketing plan almost every day, and I marvel. Keep adding customers, and you will earn an additional $215 per month. Additional means the money you earn increases geometrically every 100 and increase geometrically, and plus other commissions of other royalty. You see, the marketing plan of the Zin, this is the only time I'm seeing a marketing plan that is not saying, is not hyping the lucrativity. It is we who have studied it and now seeing the hidden lucrativity. If you look at this like this, you will not see any lucrative thing. But it is when you start, you will now see, you will not be asking questions. Where is this money coming from? Most of those things were not even mentioned in the marketing plan. That is the power of Zinzino. So you can become silver, and once you have 4 silver, you become an executive. You have a phone bonus. Once you have these ones, I will go to them in details in our subsequent presentations. Once you have 4 executive, you become a diamond. You see, that is the car. And you can be getting this car, you can be qualified for that. There's a kind of team size you get. You can be getting the productions, because it is not your personal production, it is the production of your team. Even as you help your team members to produce, to grow, it is also coming back to you. Why can't I? Why would this is the only opportunity where if you give spillovers, the person who gets the spillover also gets credits. You can imagine, it has never been so in any terrestrial company. You'll be bypassed. If they do spillover for you, you can imagine if we now start seminars, and those of us who have joined, we now have overflow. As there's a limit to the customers I can take for myself. The rest I will spill over. And you have those spillovers. Now people already have spillovers in their network. If you go, you see credits from spillover. It has never been so. And these credits are money for you. As they keep accumulating, it is money. That means, I don't even know how to explain this thing again. So you continue. If you get 4 diamonds, you become a crown. From crown, it continues, because the team in the next 2-3 years in Nigeria, we will have people who will be ranking up every month. Crown, director, royal crown, because they started now. Because they started now. When the company has now come to launch in Nigeria, and they have now seen the people are now creeping in. Medical doctors are coming in. Hospitals are coming in. Laboratory scientists are coming in to take advantage, to be customers. People will just be ranking like mad. The ranking will be so easy at them. You'll just be watching at your phone. Now it is difficult to do. It is difficult now, I can tell you. But my brother, my sister, a time will come when it will be So easy. Every month, you are asking yourself, where are all these activities coming from? The people that you have made to see that their ratio have dropped from 15 is to 1 to 3 is to 1, and they have seen some health benefits from the products. And the company has now launched and gotten more products for us, so many products, and people are beginning to testify. People are in fact, the science behind the products I have never seen before in any network marketing company. The science behind it, it is so top notch, it is so evidence based, it is something that will marvel any medical professional practitioner if the person opens his brain to seek knowledge. I have never seen. And this is what is going to happen. People will rank up, people will earn this money, people will earn this money. People will earn because people already have started earning it in the UK, in the US. People are earning already. People have been in the business for 12 years. Mr. Thomas has been in this business for 12 years. When a very humble guy, very, very humble to the core. But when this guy told us in one of our meetings with him, he told us how much he has earned, the number of car awards he has gotten, the number of customers he already has, which he doesn't even know where they're coming from because of the activity already in his network. And he's very humble. No. I was so inspired. I was inspired. These are the kind of people I want to deal with because I want to surpass what they have done. And you see, estimated growth. Lives would never remain the same. I can bet you. And it's a movement if I can achieve, apart from the money I can make from this, knowing that what I have brought to Africans have changed their lives is enough to give me peace of mind. And the growth is phenomenal. This company is stable, very, very stable. They are unshakable because they have been since 2005. They have experienced tremendous growth. And see what is going to happen. It is the power of Zinzino. The way it is so, people in the US are so excited about it. Oh no. So let us make our dreams come true. I believe my dreams can come true through Zinzino. I believe. And I also want you listening to also believe so. I want you to see this. There is no opportunity like Zinzino if you understand it. If you get 50% of the knowledge of what Zinzino is, you will know that there is nothing like Zinzino. There is nothing like it. Because customers can help, can give customers, can imagine. And partners. Of course, being a partner has its benefits. But not everybody can be partners because not everybody likes network marketing. Now we are taking advantage of people's negative perception of network marketing because they will eventually become customers. That is what we want. That is what we want. In other companies, you will have to recruit and look for one network marketer. And look for one they are difficult to recruit. People don't want to do the business. That is why you will not earn because you're not recruiting people who will come and recruit. Zinzino is not after recruitment of partners much. It appreciates recruitment of partners because the partners who will come and help them, it is not a partner who will come and be dormant. Zinzino appreciates partners who will come and help them create customers because they need customers. Before you can become a partner, you must be, first of all, tell yourself that you can create customers. If you cannot create customers, be a customer until when you learn or you are ready to create customers for Zinzino, you can now come and become a partner. That is so wonderful. It is so good. It's something that will sell. And if we do our seminars in Nigeria, guess what? A lot of people will be customers. Anybody who wants to be partner, we will interview the person and be sure the person is ready for business. Otherwise, please be a customer for somebody else. So, but if you are serious to become a partner, potential to earn long-term residual income, earn lifestyle rewards and incentive trips, earn free products and free samples, work from home, get your Zinzino products for free through Zinzino for free, bring health and wellness to the world. We are change agents. But if so many people who will be customers, which is what we want. We are a team looking for customers. They will get them being a customer. They will be getting the product at a very lowest possible price. And they can share the products to their family and friends and qualify for free products through the Zinzino for free. So let us inspire change in the world. Thank you very much for listening.